Hi! In front of me is OPPO Find X3 Neo, and today I would like to show you how you can check a password added to Google Passwords Autofill. You need to begin by going into Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google section. Then tap on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Google Passwords Manager. Now you can tap on any of your added passwords. Sorry, you need to enter your current screen lock or, in my case, face recognition. Now, to check a password, tap on this little eye next to it to make it visible. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!